Hi guys! If you've decided to take the bold and healthy choice of transitioning to natural hair care products, let me start by welcoming you. Here at Morocco Method, we believe in all-natural raw paleo products that not only cleanse hair, but they also deliver essential nutrients without all the harsh, toxic chemicals found in traditional shampoos and conditioners. We are so glad to have you on board to start your healthy hair journey. We know that giving up all synthetic chemicals can seem like a huge change. That's why we're here to provide you with the support, tips, and tools to start and continue restoring and supporting your hair naturally. Now, the most important question: what is the Morocco Method? The Morocco Method is the original natural hair care method for hair restoration. Over 50 years ago, our founder, Anthony Morocco, began to notice how dangerous commercial products can be when used long-term. Unwilling to believe that the only way to clean hair was with harsh chemical products, he began crafting safe alternatives inspired by nature. Today, his fully natural hair care regimen has been perfected and involves consistently rotating products and performing frequent small haircuts to keep your hair in the best condition and promote healthy growth. Along with Mr. Morocco's exclusive Lunar hair care calendar, the Morocco Method has been helping people to restore and recover their hair after years of damage caused by chemical products. Interested in making the change but not sure where to start? Check out our beginner's guide, other videos, and blog articles in the links below. Just a heads up, using chemical products in conjunction with natural products can prolong the detox and recovery process. The best and fastest way to heal damaged hair is to completely switch to a natural hair care regimen. This includes styling products and dyes, which is why Morocco Method provides a whole range of natural alternatives. For more information about what detox is, why it occurs, and how to alleviate the symptoms, see the links below for articles and videos dedicated to the detox process. We are always here for you. If you have questions or need support, you can email support@mmhair.com or visit the Contact Us page on our website. For more information, you can also check out our FAQs, blog articles, and other videos. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring that notification bell for more educational content on hair care and wellness.